Standard 5.4, we have factors. X minus 6 is a factor in the top and the bottom. As we're multiplying, everything's in the top and everything's at the bottom. So x minus 6 over x minus 6 is 1. 10 over 5 is 2. And x to the third over x is x squared. So I'm left with 2x squared in the top and x minus 10 in the bottom. Number 11, I can't reduce without factors, and this plus means I don't have factors. So I need to factor the bottom, and the first step is to look for the greatest common factor, which is 6x. 6x times what is 6x squared? Well, times x. And 6x times what is 12x? Well, that's a positive 2. 3 over 6 is 1/2. X to the third over x is once again x squared. So it looks to me like I have 1x squared, which I don't need the 1, over 2 times x plus 2. If you multiply the 2 times x plus 2, that's just fine but not necessary. All right, now you look at number 12 and you say, wait a minute, my number 12 is dividing. You're right. And I've already changed to multiplication, and this is now the reciprocal, where x squared minus 81 is the top. So I kept this one the same and changed to multiplication and flipped to get that fraction. X plus 7 cannot be factored. X minus 9 cannot be factored. These two terms with the minus in between will factor into conjugates, x plus 9, x minus 9. And what multiplies to be 21 and adds to be 10, well, that's going to be x plus 7 and x plus 3. So now look, x plus 7 over x plus 7, x minus 9 over x minus 9, and I'm just left with x plus 9 over x plus 3. No, I cannot reduce that. Think of it this way. The only thing I can reduce with x plus 9 is x plus 3. X is another x plus 9. And finally, number 13, we need to factor, and this first numerator has a common factor of 4, to where I'm left with x plus 8. This denominator will factor into conjugates, x plus 8 times x minus 8. What multiplies to be 64 and adds to be negative 16? That's going to be negative 8 and negative 8. And then 2x is already factors. So I've got x plus 8 over x plus 8, x minus 8 over x minus 8, and 4 over 2, which is 2. What is left? 2 times x minus 8 over x. And that's 5.2.